Your question?
I was wondering why the easy bar bicep curls and the barbell bicep curls are hated so much by the pencil neck science based lifting nerds. It's because lengthen partials and stretch mediated hypertrophy fad. People hopped on this bandwagon because some random study popped up and it showed that, oh, performing your exercise in the lengthened position and skipping the concentric phase actually improves your gains by maybe 200, 300, 400%. I might be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. But then what happens is that a study comes out where they compare cable lateral raises to dumbbell lateral raises. And what did the freaking study prove? It proved that the cable lateral raise and the dumbbell lateral raise guarantees similar muscle hypertrophy. And what happens? The fad, stretch mediated hypertrophy and lengthened partials, goes straight into the goddamn trash can. Who promoted this BS? Mike Isertel and the well known Jeff Nippert. Why? Because they could use the science, they could use the science based bullshit and then scam people into selling their books, ebooks, programs, supplements, etc. So I was wondering why people hate the easy bar bicep curls or the barbell bicep curls. It's because biomechanics, when you see through this exercise, this is the concentric phase. So let me take the brush and draw the line of force. Oh, one sec. I think I cannot do this. So basically, if this is the arm in the concentric phase, this is the goddamn line of force. This is the axis of rotation. And this is the momentum. Okay? And let's see the mid-range, the mid position of this exercise. It goes something like this. Yeah, I can draw it with a brush here. So this is the line of force, this is the axis of rotation, and this is the momentum. There is a good degree of torque in the concentric phase as well as the mid-range. But when you view the lengthened position, lengthened position is the most hypertrophic portion of the goddamn exercise. And when I draw the line of force, it's somewhere here. And the axis of rotation and the momentum, you can see that the length of the moment arm is small, which means that the torque is less. And so the science-based nerds use that 8-week science-based study to prove that the EZ bar bicep curls is trash for muscle hypertrophy. It's an F tier exercise for bicep growth. And that's how easy bar bicep curls and the barbell bicep curls were banned in the science-based lifting gym. And that is how all this started and ended. But when you consider the freaking history, millions of gym bros have developed massive biceps performing the barbell bicep curls, the easy bar bicep curls. Even this lady who is performing this exercise, for a girl, she has massive biceps, and the rest of her body is also massive.
Yeah, boy.
But yeah, talking about biceps, she has good biceps, and she's doing easy bar curls. So, perform your easy bar curls, perform your barbell bicep curls, and get massive freaking gains. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के। लाइक ठोकिए, यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजा